Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this equation. We have a plus b is equal to 8, ab is equal to 48, and we're asked to find the value of a and b. So the first thing to do is to call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. So from equation 1, you can see that the value of b is equal to 8 minus a. Okay, then we can call this equation 3. Now, let's substitute for the value of b in equation 2. So that means you have a, open bracket, 8 minus a is equal to 48. Here we'll say 8a minus a squared is equal to 48. We can rewrite this as minus a squared plus 8a minus 48 is equal to 0. When it moves to the other side, it becomes a negative 48. Now, at this point, you can multiply everything here by minus 1. So here we'll have a squared minus 8a plus minus minus is 48 is equal to 0. Now, we are familiar with this general form of writing a quadratic equation where you have this ax squared plus bx squared plus c is equal to 0. So here we are going to be factorizing this equation now. This particular one, we'll be factorizing it. And here the value of our a here is what? 1. The coefficient of a is 1. And b here we'll have it as minus is equal to minus 8. Then c is equal to 48. So to find the value of a in this place, the value here, we can use the almighty formula, which is minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Here our b is minus 8, okay, plus or minus square root minus 8 squared minus 4. Our a is 1 multiplied by 48 all over 2 multiplied by 1. Okay? Okay. Minus minus, you have 8. That's positive 8. Plus or minus. Minus 8 squared is what? 40. 64 rather. Then minus 4. 4 multiplied by 48 will have 192 over 2. Yes, plus or minus. So now we have 8 plus or minus 64 minus 192 is going to give you a negative 128 over 2. So now we can say that this will be 8 plus or minus 64 multiplied by negative 2, because 64 times 2 is going to give you 128. Okay? Then you have a negative sign here. That is going to represent our I, because the square root of minus 1 is I over 2. So now we have 8 plus or minus square root of 8 is of 64 is 8. Then we have root 2I over 2. Now let's factorize this and find the common term. We can now say 2 brackets 8 plus or minus 8 plus or minus 2. No, this should be 4. 2 divided by 8 is 4, plus or minus 4 root 2I over 2. So 2 cancel 2. So now we are left with what? 4 plus or minus 4 root 2I. Okay? That is the value of our A. So that means that A is equal to this. So our A1 is 4 plus 4 root 2i. Then our A2 is what? 4 minus 4 root 2i. Now we've gotten our A1 and our B1. Let's look for the value of B. Now we say that B is equal to, it becomes B1, it becomes 8 minus A1. Okay, and our A1 is this. So B1 is equal to 8 minus, we have 4 plus 4 root 2i. Then B1 is equal to, this negative sign is going to affect everything in this bracket. So we have 8 minus 4, minus plus, we have minus 4 root 2i. So now 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 4 root 2i. This is the value of our B1. Now let's get our B2. Our B2 would be 8 minus A2. So B2 is equal to 8. What is our A2? You have 4 minus 4 root 2i. B2 becomes 8 minus 4 plus 4 root 2i. B2 then is 8 minus 4, we have 4 plus 4 root 2i. Then our A1 B1 is equal to 4 plus 4 root 2i and 4 minus 4 root 2i. Then B1 or A2 B2 is equal to 4 plus 4 root 2i and 4 minus 4 root 2i. Now let's check to see if our answer is correct. Okay, we have A plus B is equal to 8, and our A1, let's use our A1. A1 plus B1, let's see if it's going to be equal to 8. A1 is 4 plus 4 root 2i plus, and our B1 is 4 minus 4 root 2i. Now plus 4 root 2i minus 4 root 2i cancels, that's 0. Now we have 4 plus 4, and that is equal to 8. So this particular question 1 is correct. Now let's go for the second question. A1 B1 is equal to 48, the equation 2. Let's see if this is correct. Our A1 is 4 plus 4 root 2i, and our B1 is 4 minus 4 root 2i. Now we want to see if it is equal to 48. Now 4 times 4, that's 4 squared. We're going to be applying the difference of two squares method for this factorization. Then here we'll have 4 root 2i squared. So this becomes, now we want to see if this is equal to 48. This is 16 minus 16. This cancels, this becomes multiplied by 2, then it multiplied by minus 1. Is it equal to 48? Here becomes 16 times 2 is 32, multiplied by minus 1, that's plus 32, and that is equal to 48. Therefore, AB is equal to 48. Bye bye.